happening, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Ranj. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you've been rocking with me for a minute, as I always say, listen, thank you so much. I appreciate all the support as always. Today's video, as the title suggests, I'm going to be showing you how I'm planning to maintain the car ever since I had it paint corrected and I had a ceramic detail applied to the car from Attentive Detailing. If you haven't checked that video out, go check it out now. But one of the mistakes that I made in my ownership of having the S3, if that makes sense, is I never took care of the bodywork. Scratches accumulated, swirl marks did as well. Thought to myself, you know what, Ranj, make a promise to yourself that you won't let that happen again. So I have been maintaining it, rinsing it. I've washed it once since I had it detailed on the ceramic coating, but today I'm actually just going to be doing another wash, and I'm just going to show you today how I plan to essentially keep the car clean for the foreseeable future. Someone actually commented on my video, the Attentive Detailing one, saying, Ranj, if you don't wash your car, that ceramic coating is not going to last. And I don't want that to happen because I paid money for that ceramic coating. So before we delve into this video, I just wanted to make you aware of one quick thing. All of the products that I'm going to be using today, I bought with all of my money. They weren't given to me for free or anything like that. So what I'm about to plug you, anybody who supports me, listen, I want to help you guys as much as I can in terms of making sure you can get some good products but save money. So yeah, hopefully that helps. So I bought all of my products from a website called ultimatefinish.co.uk. I basically messaged them saying, look, I have a YouTube channel, would there be any chance for us to collaborate in the future? They did give me a bit of an opportunity. They said, listen, we'll set you up with your own promo code so you can give 10% off to, you know, all of your subscribers and people who support you. I'm going to put on the screen right now a code that you can use, which is bespoke to my channel and bespoke to all of my supporters, for you to get 10% off anything off their website. And I'm on about jet washers, wash mitts, snow foam, snow lances, literally anything. The big boy, car dryer, ceramic coatings, anything car cleaning related, you can get 10% off, even if it's already on sale. So you can get 10% off that site-wide. So yeah, please use the code S3Ranj10. So let's get straight into it. Please don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that bell icon for future notification. Let's keep growing. And yeah, let's just get straight into this video. So the first product I bought was an Ultimate Finish Quick Detailer. The reason I bought a quick detailer is because now that I'm going to be taking my car to more car shows, I thought it's, you know, really handy to have something like this on board. So if my car does build up dirt or something like that, I can just quickly use this. And plus for Alicia's car, I use this Auto Finesse Aqua Coat, which is like a hydrophobic coating, and sometimes it can leave water spots. Using this after just to get rid of those water spots is really handy, and yeah, I found it really effective on Alicia's car. It took away all the water spots in it. Next was the Iron Fallout Remover. For anybody who knows about iron out, it stinks like farts, not gonna lie. This actually doesn't smell that bad. It actually smells really nice. So I've done a great job. In addition to it smelling nice, it's actually really effective. Probably one of the best iron out fallout removers I've used. The Auto Finesse one and this one are probably the best two. The Ultimate Snow Foam, again from Ultimate Finish, but like I said, you can get the Auto Finesse Snow Foam or whatever. So yeah, this one's really cool, but overall really good. I'm happy with that. What else did I get? I got this Citrus Pre-Wash. So this is from a brand called Valet Pro. And yeah, it was really good because, Alicia, you had so many dead bugs on the front of your car. So I thought this was really good. And then we also got this Auto Finesse Lather. So this is basically like a car shampoo. S3 clean. It looks banging. I'm going to take some shots of it anyway, so I'll basically do a bit of a walk around, show you how clean it actually is. So voila, as you can see, gleaming. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to quickly freehand this. So, look, gleaming. Look at that. Is that the sky or is that my car? Wow, I should use that as a thumbnail. Look at that, it's crazy. Look at that. Can you see the trim? Slight. The tyre dressing actually used Auto Glim's tyre dressing. It was like £6, I think. I think we got that from Ultimate Finish too, so yeah. So I did use a quick detailer as well, just because the car had some water spots. Normally I've got this leaf blower thing on my mum's. My mum's a garden, that's why she's got it, but I didn't have it because I'm at Alicia's house. But look at that, swirl free. That's actually not even down to me, that's down to attentive detailing. Look at that, I love it. Roof, just look at that, it's gleamy. Gleamy city. But yes, I hope you like the way it looks. I am over the moon with how clean it is. If you put it into perspective, look at that, look at that. Just dirty. Boom! What I noticed was whenever I rinsed it, there was no beading action, and that really worried me because I thought to myself, actually, why it's ceramic coated, shouldn't it bead? But I've heard, and I've even seen videos, once you wash it, basically all that beading action will come back. After I snow foamed it and rinsed it, all that beading action just came instantly back, and now it's fully back. Yeah, I'm super happy and super assured about that. I was a bit worried at first, but yeah, car looks banging. Alicia, without her, hardly any of my videos would be possible. One thing I just wanted to quickly touch on is, whilst I got a solid majority of the products from Ultimate Finish, the drying towel and the wash mitts that I've got are actually from Amazon. Anything that I've used in this video will be in the description box anyway, regardless of where it's from. But you can get drying towels and washing mitts from Ultimate Finish, but the ones I got were from Amazon, just because I've read really good reviews about them. The drying towel, oh my, I've had a Halfords drying towel before, and it just leaves green fluff everywhere. This blue drying towel is brilliant. So my brother's got this one from Sam's Detailing. For me, this one's probably on par with it. It's amazing. Listen, look at the trim. Do you know what's mad? I've done so much today, it's been so windy, my hair's been in place. I just used Alicia's hairspray and it's just stayed in place, you know. Mad. But yeah, listen, it's been a good day. Alicia has had the tunes pumping, you know, got our groove on whilst we're washing the cars. But yeah, man, do you know what it is? I'm just going to carry on making good videos, get content out there. It takes up so much of my time, so I genuinely mean it when I say, like, thank you so much for watching and subscribing. All I can say is just carry on, because it kind of motivates me to just carry on too. But yeah, listen, peace.